This classic Volvo Amazon isn't just an old car, it's a part of my family's history. My grandfather drove it for years, and even though he's no longer here, his love for this car lives on. After more than 30 years, time has taken its toll. Rust, wear, and fading paint. But instead of letting it fade away, I've decided to bring it back to life. Not only will I restore it to its former glory, but I'll also upgrade the engine with a turbocharger, turning it into a powerful modern ride that will stay with me for years to come. Just like my grandpa was always there for me growing up. Next up is the engine. The original motor still ran, but I wanted more than just a stock rebuild. My plan: tear it down, restore every component, and boost it with a turbocharger for some real power. This Volvo Amazon isn't just going to be a nostalgic throwback. It's going to be a true performance machine. At this stage, the car is completely stripped down and ready for the full restoration and upgrade process. It's going to take time, but I'm committed to bringing it back to the road, just like my grandpa did all those years ago.